Good day, Ma'am Jodash. Good day, Chef Pat. So, we are preparing right now peach brownies. So, I am with Mark Mopolencia,
Christian J. Flores,
Retriven and Castillo,
and I'm Joseph Belta.
and this is our ingredients.
First, we have half kilo of peanuts,
And then we have 225 grams of cocoa powder. We have baking powder, 11 grams, 1 kilo of sugar, lard for grease, and 30 ml of vanilla.
Also, we have 450 gram of bread flour, 16 pieces large eggs, and 560 gram of bitter sweet chocolate, and 5 blocks of butter.
First, we're gonna add 565 grams of bittersweet chocolate.
So, ito na lang ginagawa natin, bro.
And then, 225 grams of unsweetened chocolate powder. Okay, cut mo na ulit. And then, we're gonna add some 5 blocks of butter. Yan mo, straight na. Yan.
Scrape mo na ulit mamaya.
Sige, sige. Pag narunan natin.
Scrape mo na mamaya.
After mixing for a while, this is the consistency of the first mixture.
And the next step is we add the 16 large eggs. Then we will add 1 kilogram of sugar. We will sift it. Then next is we will add 2 pinch of salt. Then 30 ml of vanilla extract. After that, we will mix it.
Go.
Since the mixture is not in the room temperature, we will put it in a double boiler.
Wait, look.
Okay.
Bro.
After that, we will still mix it.
After the sugar dissolved in the egg mixture, we add it to the chocolate mixture. After we mix the egg mixture and the chocolate mixture, this is the consistency of our mixture.
After we mix the mixture, we need to put the flour and sift it together with the baking soda. After sifting the flour and baking powder, we will mix it and fold in.
And for our next part, we will be greasing the pan. Ganun yun, toy.
Hindi pala na pulit nga. Okay.
And the next step, we will be putting the parchment paper. Ngayon po, ilalagay na po natin ang mixture.
Yan na kaya natin.
Ngayon po, ilalagay na natin ang toppings. Ngayon, sasalang na po natin sa oven.
Dandan. Hindi, baka matapon. Ano sa mukha? Ito ba? Yan. Ay. Ay. Buong. Nabubo.
Ngayon, i-bake natin ang 45 minutes sa oven. Pagkatapos, tsaka natin balik.